What a nice this.
What a nice anniversary! What you choose into?
Love.
And 7 more years? Or 70
70,
times 7?
70 more years.
70 times 7. Just like Father God forgive us 70 times 7, we're going for 70 times 7.
Let's
How
go to
about
this.
that?
when chess is at the maximum.
Oh, Muscat and cheesecake. Come, like we drink like how we drink on our wedding day. But I have the wrong hand. We not cross. He's supposed to cross. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I am, I'm gonna keep this on a little bit more. I am just getting back from dropping Tyler to school, and outside is cold. Yes, that kind of cold. It's very cold outside. My fingers are freezing. So I just dropped him to school. This week is Tyler's last week of school before Christmas break, and it's his last week of transition before going to big school full time. So this week he'll be at big school for the entire morning and then back to small section for the afternoon. So that's what this week is gonna be for him. He's pretty excited about that. He's also excited that he'll be getting math today because he loved doing math. Hopefully he'll feel the same when he reach algebra and all those things when he grow up. Anyway, you guys, today's our anniversary. Come baby, come. Today is our anniversary. How many years today?
About 4 or 5.
Liar. 7. We've been married 7 years. Little old me been married 7 years. That's crazy. Baby, I spent almost all my life with you, you know.
Oh lordy.
What a catastrophe. So we've been together, 2021 will be 10 years, and we've been married for 7 years. I'm not getting more gray hair than what we have already. You're doing good, you're doing good. I'm even not cut off my head yet. Not bad, not bad. So you guys, this anniversary will be different from all the ones that we've celebrated. Because normally they would take the day off from work, and when Tyler's at school we'll be going out, sitting down, dining, enjoying the day. But today
we enjoyed the day still.
Yeah, but we'll be home.
Stick at home.
We'll be home, so we're gonna have to make the best stuff today.
Really?
But to make my day even better, I need to go get my workout done.
Don't
so get my workout done. I won't change my routine at all. Get my workout done, and then babe still gotta work. We still gotta do what we gotta do. So it's just another day. It's just a top bit special.
It will.
Yes.
It always, no matter what we do, it's a special day.
And I promise to love you for at least 7 more years. At least 7 more.
Cool,
without cutting off your head.
That's fine.
And without feeding your balls to the dogs. You can live with that? How about you?
Me, I try.
You try what?
Yeah, I try 7 more years.
I will try too. I think we can do that.
Yeah, that will be a challenge. a big challenge, but with a lot of energy, positive energy, I can do it. I'm sure I can do it. So, yeah.
Well, you better do it. I do 7 times 77 more after that 7.
I don't promise that one, but.
What do you mean you don't promise that one?
I try at least 7. Start by 7.
Anyway, you guys, I know you guys always sending us lots of love down below in the comment section. So thank you in advance. Yes. I'll see if I find some wedding pictures to share with you guys if you're new to the channel. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go get my workout in. And my hand's still cold. And you guys will see the kids throughout the rest of today's vlog. You hear Sarah? You hear her? Let me go show you guys Sarah. Because I know you guys want to see her. Let me show you Sarah, and then I'll be well on my way to getting my workout done. Hi! Hi! Look at your mouth! Say hi! Say hi! Say cuckoo! 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 Say hi! Say hi to the faves! Look! Up! Say hi to the faves. I'm not taking you, girl. I'm going to work out. And if I stay with her, I won't get my workout in. This is how we're spending anniversary lunch, having Saturday, Monday soup. We're good with that.
We're good with that.
We're good with
We're
that.
happy. We together.
That's all that matters.
Together.
That's all that matters. And this soup is as good as it was Saturday. Look at Sarah. Sarah waiting for us. Once she hear the spoon knocking on the plate, she find me. For Papa.
It's good. We're together.
Sarah, wait.
That's what I say.
As long as we're together, that's all that matters, honey.
It's nothing else to do.
If outside was open, you know, we would be doing road. We would be somewhere. You remember when we went to this Indian restaurant? It was last year, no? It was last year?
No, it wasn't for anniversary.
What was it, for my birthday?
I think it was for Valentine's Day.
Oh, we're having anniversary lunch.
Woo!
It's cold, huh? It's cold outside, so the soup, perfect. And your girl ain't cooking today. Today is a chill day for me. All I'm doing is sitting down and work. Take care of Sarah. No stove and turning on today, okay? No. So you know it's sushi we're having today for dinner. Because one of the easiest place to order out. The easiest. Who are you talking to, girl? Who are you talking to? You telling them how nice the soup is? I second that motion. It's yummy, but all when it's hot, you want it.
Don't be.
Say hello to Fave Star. You haven't seen them all
Hello,
day.
I have a surprise for you.
You say I have a surprise for us.
is that?
Hold on, Tyler. You know what today is?
Today is.
You know what today is? Today marks 7 years Mama and Papa been married.
What did it say?
Today marks 7 years. Yes,
7?
today is 7 years since Mama and Papa got married.
7 years.
7
Can
years.
you believe it?
So today is a special day for Mama and Papa. You bring home a special gift. Can I help you open it?
Yeah.
Give it to me. Can I help you?
Yes.
And I have a surprise for you too
Mama, don't
after.
look
Papa have a surprise for you too. But first, we have to look at
First, you
this
have to look at
surprise.
this surprise.
Don't look.
Okay. Okay. I open it now. You can look. You can.
Alright, what is it? What is it? Ah,
Aww,
For the tree?
For the tree.
nice.
You made this?
Tyler, every year he brings some
The
things and he
cutest
makes...
little tree ornament.
Wow, Noel. Oh!
Oh my god! Look at this, guys.
And this one.
Oh
And
my
this,
god.
Joyeux Noel de
It's so
Tyler.
cute.
Look at the one in the tree. I love the yellow one.
Only blue him didn't make any.
It's so cute.
Oh, Taylor, I love this. You gonna hang this on the tree?
Yes.
Alright,
Good putting.
go hang it far where Sarah can reach it and come back.
Sarah, have that. No. I like
We're gonna give him a surprise and then I'm gonna tell you the reason behind the surprise. Because I can't tell you now because I'm going to cheat and he'll be listening. Look who at my foot. 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 Look. Hi.
Ali, come.
Hi.
Tyler, we have a surprise for you.
What?
We received a gift.
You have to close your eyes.
You have
Come
to
close.
close
Come
your
to me.
eyes.
Come. Stand right here. Turn around
I have
like
a
this.
gift for you.
Papa, I'm gonna take it out of the bag.
You're gonna have. This is for you. One,
Wait, you turn it around. Turn it around.
2, 3.
Open your eyes. What is that?
My rectangle bag. I can't believe they had it.
You like it?
I'm
You
going
guys.
to Look around and see.
You guys, let me tell you something. Tyler need a rectangle bag for school and we couldn't find it anywhere. And he chose this one, the Star Wars one online. And it says it won't come until the 28th. And we were shocked when it showed up today. So now we have his bag.
You like it?
I'm so happy for him. He have his bag now to go to school with. He don't have to carry 2 bags anymore. Because he's been carrying 2. One for small section and one for big section. So, you know, his Star Wars bag. And you know, Tyler is in everything Star Wars these days.
Oh, yeah.
So, he's good. Okay, next surprise. We are going somewhere to pick up food for dinner.
I know who it is.
Where?
Burger King.
No.
It could have been.
McDonald's.
No.
KFC.
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 No, it's not KFC. It's KFC.
KFC.
No.
Subway.
No.
You're gonna make all of them.
Give me a hint.
It's somewhere that Mama loves to eat. Soup.
Where you eat rice.
Soup.
Sushi.
Yes.
Where's my food? Where's my sushi? Where's my rice? Where's my rice? Where's my rice? Where's my rice? Oh, where's my rice?
You like your bag, Tyler? I love it.
I love it too.
So now you can carry this to school tomorrow?
Yes.
We are going to head out and
Mama,
go
I'm
pick up
going
some
to
food.
Test it.
Okay, you can test it. Wait, let me see.
It fits so good.
It's very good.
I could see it in here.
He can't look in the mirror. Look at it.
It's pretty.
It's pretty.
I'm going to school. Oh no! I need to school.
Aye. That's how you get into school?
Yes.
You're hilarious.
Hi guys. Dinner is here. This is the most important in the dinner. This is the sweet sauce. Guys, the last time we went to sushi, they forgot the sauce, and babe,
it was
she
a mess. I was
were
so mad.
pissed all night. So let me show you what we have. We have for Tyler, we have a little compote and a drink for his desserts, and we have some chicken and rice. That's what Tyler like. You like that?
Yes.
Alright, cool. So I have a little sushi food too. I'm kidding. Let's see what we have. Ooh. We have some sushi here. A lot of sushi for babe.
Open it and show them so they can get the food.
Ooh. Give me a second. This is the sushi.
That looks so good.
It looks
Tell them what kind of sushi
shrimp.
it
It
is.
look salmon, avocado.
This one is in love.
Open the machine.
This one is for me. We have 5. You call kebab? Yummy, yummy, yummy,
What kind of
yummy.
kebab is it?
We have a
Cheese,
chicken, cheese, beef. Oh, that's yummy. And here we have some.
Coconut shrimp, my favorite.
Babe insisted for it, so we got this. I'm gonna test it, and I have some rice for me here with my sweet sauce. That's gonna be our dinner. You happy?
That's our anniversary dinner.
She's happy. That's the most important. It doesn't matter what it is. As long as she's happy, that's a success.
Stay here, don't move. I got you something.
Papa.
I got you some. Tell her go and put down your bag. We soon pack it.
Papa.
Mommy, you have a gift for me too?
No, it's because it's Papa anniversary why I got Papa a gift. You get all your gifts on Christmas, baby. So you're counting down the days. Allow Papa to open, Tyler. Tyler, allow Papa to open. You'll see it. You'll see it. So why you don't want to rip the paper?
On avait acheté ça au magasin. On avait acheté ça au magasin.
What?
No, it's the man. He look like he's a, you know, like a mummy. That's why I smile. I like the color.
Tyler choose the color.
I like the color. You did the
Tyler,
good
you
choice.
choose the color. You remember?
I like the color.
Yes, there was a red one.
Oh no, you did better with this blue one.
Tyler choose that color. Funny enough, I like the other one, but Tyler prefer this one.
Tyler tests.
So I got, babe, show them what you got.
I got
A pajama
a
set.
pyjama set.
You like it?
Sabi.
You'll be warm
sexy.
tonight, honey child. Yes, hurry up and go change and put it on. Let me see you. And let me see if it fits, if you have to bring it back or not.
Yeah, I will.
You done the
When the kids are on bed.
Happy anniversary, my love.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, I appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. Happy day. I'm gonna give you something too, but later.
Okay, alright. I see you, boo.
I want to tell you something.
Okay.
I'm so pissed about one thing. Okay? For my birthday,
Uh-huh.
you get me a present, but you are using my present and you don't leave it to me.
Okay.
So I take revenge today and I'm gonna get you some things
Okay.
that I'm gonna use.
I wish you guys could see his face. Come sit down. So you got me something that Giorgio Armani.
This
So you
is
got
just-
me
this is just a box.
perfume that you're gonna use.
Yeah, this is just a box. I just want to.
Suppose I tell you that I was gonna get you this.
Oh.
You know I was gonna get you this. I swear I was gonna get you it. And I say, you know what? No, let me get him something that he doesn't really have.
I wanted to get you something and get back my present. Ah.
You guys, I bought babe this perfume for his birthday and it smells so good. This exact perfume. So now you buy it back for me so you can use
So I can get back mine.
You're stupid. That's why I love you. You're a fool. Well, thank you for our gift. You're
No, I'm just gonna get back mine. My first gift. It doesn't matter how is it now, almost empty or not. And
So you're gonna take the empty one and give me this?
Yeah, this
You're
is your gift, and the
hilarious.
other one is mine. Get back my gift.
No, but you can have this.
No, the other one have a special meaning. And every time I see it and going down and down, I'm just feeling heartbreak. True. And every time I see it, I'm just feeling heartbreak. I'm feeling like first she using my gift, and then I say, what is she thinking? She thinking like I don't like your gift, that I leave it to her. Or
And second, I opened it without even asking you. I took
Oh,
it one
no.
day you went to
took it and she keep it for
Listen,
her.
I give him the gift from August and he have it there in the box since until October. So I just opened it. My perfume was finished. So I needed a new one. But this is
So I
cool.
took a little bit bigger version.
Oh, it's bigger than the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, because you know that I'm showering
Yeah,
him. So now we're gonna smell the same. Thank you, I like it. You're hilarious. I laugh until I cry. You see why I love him? He's a fool. Thank you, baby. I like it.
That's yours now. So you
Because
don't-
I can leave your half
Yeah, you
empty
can
one.
leave it.
Thank you, though. So why they give you this bigger box?
It's me asking a box. So I can check you.
Thank you. I like your speech before. Thank you. I like
But I
it.
really mean it. I really mean it. I say, I give a lot.
Okay, I'll leave it alone
If it
now.
was me just
But
getting
guess
one like this, I would have said, okay, she like it. But then it's a gift.
But guess what? It was a hint for you to get me a new one, and you waited too long until I almost finished it before you get me a new one. So it's also you to be blamed. You know, like when you buy me perfume, you always buy the nicest perfumes. I don't buy perfume for myself. You buy all of them. So you take too long. That's why your own almost finished now. I love using male perfume because it's strong. I have this fetish. Don't laugh at me. I anticipate people smell when they walk past me just to smell the perfume. And French people perfume, oh,
She like when it's
it
kind of
hit you rosy.
the fresh one.
Oh,
She like when it's kind of fruits
I love perfume. I love
and
perfume.
strong and kind of fruity.
I think I get that from my mom. My mom used to have some of the nicest perfumes. And mom used to keep them in her handbag so we don't use them. Mom used to have some of the nicest perfume. I love perfume. And French people and perfume, oh gosh. I just love when they pass me. Sometimes they don't even pass me it and I just smell it. Sometimes I want to ask them where they get the perfume from. I swear it. Because I can't find those. So when I find them like this, drown in it. sorry, babe, for finishing your perfume. I didn't know you feel that deep about it. Anyway, you guys, we are wrapping up today's vlog of our anniversary. Wait, babe, you have to go put on your pyjama and come end the vlog with me.
Yeah, we have a cake.
We're gonna have our cheesecake and then
we feel accomplished.
we feel accomplished. You guys, I have to show you baby this pyjama. Look how neat he is. Look how nice him look when you know your man's size.
Can go supermarket like this.
What you mean? When your man lose weight, I look good, no sir.
Still have some too.
Move, you've accomplished so much. Come.
It fits.
Come sit here. So we're gonna have a pyjama party to end the night.
Ah. Your outfit is much better for touching.
Oh, my own?
Yeah.
Because the material different. I'm gonna get you some more. I like seeing you like this.
Okay.
You look younger putting this on compared to the one you had on. Let me get you some more. You like it?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm comfy.
Good. And you warm?
For now, I'm not cold. I'm comfy. I'm very comfy.
Okay.
It's nice. That's a real pyjama because most of my pyjama is just a pants,
Exactly.
like a sport pants.
Exactly. The first
and,
one you have.
And a sweater.
Exactly. So now I'm gonna get you some more. Okay, so I expect one for Christmas.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. Where's my Santa Claus Christmas pyjama?
Anyway, you guys, we're gonna eat some cheesecake. I don't think I'm gonna come back on the camera. We're gonna end it here. Hopefully you guys enjoy our little anniversary vlog. 7 years, baby. 7 years. We're doing good. 7 years.
7 years.
How did you manage
How
that?
did you were when you get married? 15?
Well, I think that is a compliment. We were so young. I was looking at our pictures today and I'm like, wow.
You're 15?
You were skinny like so, and I was skinny
That's
like
your
so.
fault. They all say you have feed me like.
I cook it. I didn't tell you to eat it, babe.
Ah.
So now I get the blame.
Yeah.
Well,
What a nice dessert.
what a nice anniversary! What you choosing to?
Love.
And 7 more years? Or 70 times 7?
70 more years.
70 times 7. Just like Father God forgive us 70 times 7, we're going for 70 times 7.
Let's
How
go to
about
this.
that?
when chess is at the maximum.
Oh, muscat and cheesecake. Come, like we drink like how we drink on our wedding day. But I have the wrong hand. We not cross. He's supposed to cross. We're supposed to cross hands. Right. No. So you feed yourself.
That's nice.
We are so cheesy. Alright, you guys, we got now. Let me show you guys a close up of my cheesecake. See there. Cheesecake and wine. This night not going to end nice at all. What say what say you, babe? He's whistling it down. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam.
7 years.
And I'll see if I can do 7 more years with this one.
When we think about what we did last year. Oh, quarantine.
What we did for our 7 years anniversary. Quarantine and eat sushi and soup.
Quarantine. At home. That's good. I like it. I mean, it should be quarantined more often in December 14.
Why?
So we do at home.
We don't mind.
Yeah, I don't mind. I mean.